Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. We made this large box from one sheet of poster board. Well, today we're going to make a large bag. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here today and supporting my channel. It really does mean a lot to me, and it certainly helps me to continue to grow on YouTube. In a previous video, and I'm going to have that video linked in the description box below, we made this large gift box using one sheet of gold poster board from the Dollar Tree. Today I'm going to take another sheet of that poster board and show you how to make a large bag. Y'all, we're going old school. This is how I used to do it back in the day before scoreboards and bone folders and all of those wonderful tools that we have access to now. I used to be me, some poster board and wrapping paper, and that is what I would use to make my boxes and my bags. So everything that's old is new again. So let's make our bag the old-fashioned way. All right, so here is my poster board. It's the standard size for poster board. And I'm going to remove myself from the upper corner because we need all of the working space. All right, so I have that poster board out on the desk, and it's really large. So I'm going to take this in stages and show you. So this is the long side of the poster board, and this is the shorter side. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this, flip it over, and I'm basically setting how wide I want my bag to be by how far down I'm coming. So we're going to go with that. And then I'm just going to crease this. So now we have it like this. All I'm going to do is turn it around, putting this side over here. I'm going to open this, and we're going to do another wide fold over. So basically all I've done, y'all, is I've eyeballed how wide I want my base to be. And the amount of space that you leave up here when you fold from one side and then fold from the other side, that's going to give you the base of your bag, and you'll see what I mean in just a minute. So here is the base of my bag. So when I open it like this, you can see the base of my bag. This is about how far down I came from the top. Now it's not going to be exact, but it will be close enough for me to have a nice working bag. So now that I have it like this, I am just going to take this piece and fold up like this. And this side, fold up and over. Now I can use my big old spatula to go in and just get everything nice and smooth. So there's one side panel. We're going to do the same thing over here. I am just going to take this piece, bring it up and over, and fold over. So basically what I've done, when I fold it over this way, I tried to keep it as close to this in size. And y'all know back in the day, we didn't have gold poster board. It was all white. And that was one of the reasons why I used wrapping paper, so that I could give some color and interest to my bags. But what I meant by folding over is this is how wide this is. So when I fold over, I want to get it as close to this so that I can put the bag together and fold it over. And you'll see what I mean in just a minute. So now I'm going to take my finger blade and just cut. Like this. And I'll come over to this side and just cut and cut. Now I am going to angle and angle. And then I'll reduce this. We'll do the same thing over here. And reduce. And so now, y'all, we have the makings of a bag. So what I'm going to do now is just bring this up like I would any other bag. And you can see that by folding up those edges, we have it covered on this end. So one of the things that I am going to do, because I don't want all of the bulk when I try to pinch in my sides, is I am going to reduce this. And that way I'll be able to pinch in the sides without having to try to go through 2 layers of poster board. That'll make it a little bit hard. So now when I put it together, you can see on the inside, this will be my adhesive flap right here. And I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just going to take some glue and put some glue right here. And I'm just going to bring this piece up because I need for it to stick. Like that. So then I'll take my glue and we're just going to run some glue on this piece. And now we'll take this piece, and when we match it, we're going to match it at the top. I'm going to stand this up so that I can get it nice and controlled. And so I'm just taking my finger and running it along the edge here because I want to make sure that I have that nice and even. So now I'm going to take my bone folder and just go in and work that stick like that. So there is one side of our bag. We'll do the same thing over here. So I'm just going to take my glue. So I'll just place my glue along the side piece like this, being very generous. Then I'll take this piece and we will match it at the top. And then I'll just place it on its side, and I'll go in with my bone folder and get our beautiful bag nice and stuck. And so now, y'all, we have our bag, and what we're going to do is just take our fingers, and I am just going to be very gentle with how I'm pinching in. So I'm going to pinch in on one side first, just to make sure that I don't have a whole lot of wrinkles. And I'll take my finger, and you can go down as far as you want with your pinching. So I'm going to pinch like this. And then we'll do the same thing over here. I'm just going to take this, pinch it in. And now we have a very lovely bag. All right, y'all, so then I'm just going to add some rope handles. And you might not be able to see what I'm doing here, but I'll show you in just a minute. So what I have is this rope from the Dollar Tree, and I just unravel parts of it, and I'm using it in my bag with hot glue as handles. Then I'm going to take this gold piece and I'm going to glue it on the inside like that so that it will hold that in place. So I'm just going to take some hot glue, place my hot glue right there. This is just an added layer of protection so that my handles will not come undone. and you can see that on the inside there. Then I'll take this piece and we're going to put it in like this. So I'm just going to take some glue, run some glue from there to there, and then I'll take this piece and we'll lay it down in the glue. Then I'll take another one of these pieces, add some glue like that, and we'll place it across the inside like this. Y'all, this is just a very quick and easy way to make a bag. All right, so there's the one side, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other side by placing my glue like that. I'll place my handle in the glue. Then I'll take some glue and we'll place that glue on here. Place that down to secure that handle. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here, but before I do, I want to make sure that my handles are going to be the same length. So I think I can do a little bit there. All right, so now I'm going to take some glue, put that glue right there. Then I'll take this piece and we're going to place it right there. And then if you're not too crazy about how that looks, I am just going to take my scrap pieces that I had left over when I trimmed down the side panel, and I'm just going to add some glue like this. And I'll take this and place it in the bag so that it is covering those little pieces that I put down, and now you have a much more professional looking top to this. And you know what else? You now have a third layer of protection for that handle. It is not going to come undone because it is so well sandwiched in there. And we'll take this one, slide it in, and cover the mechanics of all of this. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to take my tape runner, add some tape to this large piece, and I'm going to take this piece and we're going to put it right here in the middle of the bag. Let me see if I can get that nice and even. All right, y'all, so here we have it. We have our beautiful large bag. It is 13 inches wide, 12 inches tall, and 4 inches deep. This is a very substantial size bag, made the old school way. So if you need a large bag and you need that bag to be sturdy, why not try some poster board and give this method a try, because I think you will enjoy it. So I hope that you have enjoyed this awesome way of making a bag without measuring and using poster board. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.